So as you guys can see, this is my first time trying my new method by giving this new plant feeding. As you guys can see, my own feeding I made, and I'm still busy working on the other ways. I just need to put them in now already. Mix the soil and ore, and as you guys can see, the other wheel is coming along very good, guys. And I promise to show you guys more updates. I am working on the other side where I plant my other weed now. I'm gonna start planting on the other side of my yard now. As you guys can see, I just wanted to mix really well. Now I'm gonna plant the other weed. I already mixed the soil on this side. As you guys can see, it's two different soils. The one is brown, the one is black. Yeah, and I'm gonna give you guys an update when I'm finished. I just need to put the plants in the new plants. As you guys can see, the light also